Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calibrate Garmin power pedals. First, you need to wake up your pedals by spinning the crank arms a few times. Make sure your bike is upright and completely still, with no weight on the pedals. It's important to unclip your shoes to avoid any unintended pressure. Then, navigate to the sensors menu on your Garmin device, whether it's an edge computer or a compatible watch. Once in the sensors menu, select your Garmin power pedals from the displayed list. Next, you will find and choose the Calibrate option. It is absolutely crucial that there is no weight or pressure on either pedal during this step. Your device will then begin the zero offset calibration, which helps ensure accurate power readings for your ride. After initiating calibration, simply follow any on-screen prompts your Garmin device provides. Once the process finishes, you should see a calibration successful message. Don't be alarmed if the displayed value is a small negative or positive number, like -2 or +3. This is perfectly normal. Remember, correctly torquing your pedals to about 35 Newton-meters during installation is also key for consistent accuracy. For the best accuracy, it's a good practice to manually calibrate your Garmin power pedals before every single ride. Additionally, your pedals have an auto-zero feature that activates when you stop pedaling and remains stationary for approximately 10 seconds. For this to work effectively, ensure your bike is upright and completely still. Also, please avoid using pedal extenders, as they can potentially damage the pedal's internal electronics and compromise your power data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.